Today's Iron Talk will discuss how to protect your spray booms and equipment from fertilizer and some of the other products that you're spraying. It's no secret that almost any fertilizer can be corrosive. When you're spraying liquid fertilizers like 1034O or 28% nitrogen, you need to be proactive if you'd like to avoid the expense of replacing your equipment every few years. Protecting your boom starts with the way your equipment is painted and with the daily maintenance and cleaning that you do. To begin with, start with a clean and painted spray boom. That doesn't mean you have to have a brand new one. Just fix up the one that you've got if it's in good condition. If you do end up purchasing a new spray boom, look for booms with a powder coat paint. Powder coat paint is about 10 times more durable than spray-on paints and is resistant to most chemicals. Powder coat paint is also the best for chip protection and holds up well in the sun and heat. In fact, you can even dent equipment sometimes without chipping powder coat paint. If you already own a spray-on painted boom, look it over closely for bare metal and paint it at least a couple of days before you start spraying for protection. Wax and polish your equipment at the start of the season for even more protection. Now, I used to think this was just a way for my dad to punish me and my brother or keep us busy so we stay out of trouble. That may have been a side benefit for Dad, but there actually was a reason behind him assigning this job. Having a well-polished machine allows you more time to get things cleaned up before the product sets in or begins to corrode your machine. We power wash our spray boom every night when we're applying fertilizer and herbicides because most of those materials are so sticky that if you don't get after it right away, it's tough to clean it up later. So be proactive. Prolong your equipment life. Get powder coat paint when available, wax and polish equipment before use each year, and spray it off every night to protect your equipment investment. That's all for today's Iron Talk, and now back to the show.